How to use Shopify for virtual fitness. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for virtual fitness. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify in where you can get a 3-day trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here for Shopify, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for virtual fitness? Well, Shopify allows you to promote your services online and of course manage everything in one place. So you have features like analytics, making discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our service. So to do that, just click on add product right here in products, click on add product, and then what you want to do first is to add your service. So as an example, I'll add one-on-one virtual training. There you go. And after that, just input the description of your service right here, or you could just simply use Shopify's AI. So for me, I'll just use the AI, type in the title, and of course I'll just add in a few keywords for fitness. There you go. And then once you're done adding your keywords, just click on generate, and then there you go. So you can either generate a new one or keep it. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here, what you want to do is upload an image of your service. So as an example, I'll choose this image right here. So I'll just download this. So after downloading, I'll just upload it here, and then there you go. So you can add more additional photos just by clicking on this plus icon right here. Next is category. So just input the category of your service right here. But usually Shopify does that automatically after you input the title, the description, and your image. So next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your service. For example, I'll set it to 5,000. Next is inventory. So since we are promoting services, we don't need to track the quantity of anything. Same goes with shipping over here. Just untick that this is a physical product. Next is variants. So you can add variants right here about your service. So you can add variants like how long the one-on-one virtual trainings are, how much do those cost, and a lot more. So feel free to customize this section out. Next is we have search engine listing. So this is what your product will look like if someone searches it online. And at the very top over here, you can also set the status of your service. So you can set it as active or draft. And then lastly, we have product organization. So in here, what you want to do is to just input the product type. I'll just name mine services. Choose your vendor. You can also add this to your collections. So for me, I'll just add it to my home page. And then lastly, tags. So in here, just add any tags you like. For me, again, I'll just add services. And let's say virtual fitness, and then there you go. So once you're done creating your service, just click on save right there, and then after that, your product has been created. So I'll add 2 more services for my virtual fitness store in Shopify. So I'll add group classes and customized fitness plans. So I'll just do that. So again, just click on add product, and then just redo all of these right here, like adding the name, description, category, pricing, and a lot more. So yeah, it's just the same process. And then there you go. So I added 2 more services right here. So customized fitness plans and group classes. So after that, what we're gonna do now is to download an app so that our customers can book our services. So to do that, just go to apps right here, go to all recommended apps, and then just click on the Shopify App Store link. And after that, what you want to do from here is go to the search bar and search up for Appointly. So just download this one over here, appointment booking app. So just click on install to install the app, and then once it's done installing, just click on open, and then after that you'll be redirected here in the setup page. So after setting it up, what you want to do is go to services right here, and then just add your service, add new service right here, and then just add the services that you made a while ago. So just search these up right here in the setup. So first is I have one-on-one virtual training, so I'll just add that one-on-one virtual training. Next are the group classes. So again, click on add new service, group classes, there you go. And then lastly, customized fitness plan. customize fitness plans. There you go, add service, and then there you go, we have now added our services. So what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So just go to online store over here, and then after that you can now start customizing your online store. So you can use Shopify's default theme, which is Dawn, or you can use the other themes right here at the bottom. So just simply click on add, and then that theme will now be applied to your website. But if you want to look for more, just click on this button right here, which will redirect you to the Shopify theme store. So you can download any themes that you want from here, so feel free to choose what kind of theme you want to download. But for me, I'll just stick with the default theme. So I'll just click on customize right here, and then after that we will be redirected here in the website editor. So what we're gonna do first is to edit our sections. So a section is usually covered around by these blue lines right here, and you'll also see its name right here at the top left corner. So what I'm gonna do is to customize this image banner section. So I'll just click on this, and then some settings in the right side will appear. So we can add images, change the color scheme, add animations, and a lot more. So feel free to customize your sections out, but for me, I'll just add an image. And then for example, I'll choose this image over here, click on done, and then after that this image will now be applied. And after that, I'll change this text right here, welcome to my online fitness coaching, and then there you go. What you can also do is add more sections to your website. So to do that, go to template over here in the left side, click on add section, and then just choose your section over here. So feel free to choose what kind of section you want to add. For me, I'll add a featured product. There you go. And after that, I'll just click on the section, just select your service that you want to feature. So for example, I'll do the one-on-one virtual training, and then there you go. Let's say I also want to change the color scheme, and then there you go. What you can also do is that if you want to edit the other pages of your website, just click on this one right here, and then you can now start editing the collections page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out, and then once you're done, just click on save, and then there you go, changes have been saved. And then you can now exit out of here. So to view your store, just click on these three dots right here, click on preview, and then after that you'll be redirected here to your website. Next is we have analytics. So in here you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you'll get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here you'll get to see all of your reports, and of course create custom reports. And then we have live view. So in here you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you'll get to see how many visitors you have right now, total sessions, total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. And then lastly, we have discounts. So in here we can create discounts for our service. So to create a discount, just click on add discount right here, and then just select your discount type. So you can choose amount off products, buy X get Y, amount off order, free shipping. So just choose your discount type right here. For me, I'll just choose amount off order, and then after that just select your method. So you can choose discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code, and then after that just input your discount code right here, or you can generate a random one. For me, I'll just generate a random one, and then after that just set your fix, or just set your discount value over here. You can set it as percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just leave it at percentage and set it as 5%. And then after that, what you can do from here is to customize the other settings for your discount, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, so you have active dates. So in here you can set start dates and end dates for your discount. So just set their dates right here, and of course their start and end time. And then once you're done, just simply click on save discount to create your discount. And then there you go, your discount code has now been created. And then at the very top, you also get a shareable link right here so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for virtual fitness. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.